What's happening? This is Johnny Snow back in the building, and here we go. We got something that needs to be opened. All right, let's go ahead and check this out, see what we're working with. Open it on up. Now, this right here is my JRC Generation 3 takedown pistol, chambered in 9mm. Chambered in 9mm. All right, let's see what all we have in this box. All right, this right here is a double star strong arm pistol brace. The double star strong arm pistol brace, and this is going on the JRC, the Just Right carbine. I've heard people talk about this for a minute, but I've never actually seen one. So we're gonna go ahead and see exactly what we're working with here. Let's take it on out, and all right, see this part, just strap out and you can put your arm through there. Okay, I see how it works. I see how it works. And this is very solid the way they had it put together. They did not include an Allen wrench with it. You know, a lot of places that start including Allen wrenches with their stuff. They did not. But, all right, let me go ahead and go find an Allen. All right, Houston, we got a problem. I done tried 6 ways to Sunday to try to get this thing on here, and as you see, it is not fitting. The buffer tube is too big. So what I decided to do is get my Strybog and put it on the Strybog instead of putting it on here. All right. So it fits on the Strybog just fine. This is a saber tube, and saber tube has like a indention on the end, I guess you can say, that allows it to slide on, and it does go on there just fine. And just in case you didn't know, the way this brace works is you gotta slide your arm all the way through it. So you get your hand, come all the way through, and then you zip lock, you see what I'm saying. You Velcro, I'm saying zip lock it. You Velcro it on, and then, now you can control it with one hand. That's how this brace works. That is how this brace works. So let's go ahead and take this off and fold it back down up in there. You pop it on in there, and I think that's how you're supposed to do it. So that's this brace. That's how it works. That is how it works. And for now, I'm just gonna put it on my Strybog. Now back to this thing. Now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with this thing. I have a tail hook mod 1, all right? And looks like I may be encountering the same problem, but I'm gonna see if I can stretch it out a little bit and get it on there. So give me just a... All right, I'm back, and this is what we're working with. All right, this tube, I had to slide this foam back to the tip of it because I ate it all the way up. When I say I ate it all the way up, then I got that thing looking bad, and this is not gonna fit on it. You can see where I've chipped that up and everything, trying to get it on there. It is not gonna work on here. No matter how you try to pry that open, it is not going to work. So I gotta figure out what type of brace I'm gonna put on here, if any. I may just roll without a brace, I guess. I don't know, but Yeah, it is not gonna work. I thought we were gonna get that done, but no, we're not. And let me address this right quick. I know you guys see where I've done this right here. This is a little hint to how I'm going to fix this thing up. I don't know if you can figure it out. Tell me in the comments what you think is about to happen with this. Yeah, but I definitely have a plan where this needs to be put on here, because if you look and see, it's just, you know, some foam covering that up. So hit me in the comments, tell me where you think I'm going with this. Yeah, tell me where you think I'm going with that. All right, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go on and hit that like and subscribe, and go check out some of the other videos I got on the channel. And Johnny Snow up out of his.